I wanted to show you two popular industrial fans side by side and explain to you some of the differences between them. This one is this brand right here, Hykolity, and then the other is a built hard. This one's 24 inch, this one's 30 inch, but there are some other differences between the two. One of the things that you'll notice about fans, how they measure it, is there's this unit of measurement called CFM, and it's basically talking about how much wind they actually move. So this particular fan at 24 inches is moving 8,100 CFM, where this one is rated at 13,000, so significantly more air. Now, there are some other differences between these. They both have wheels, they both have handles. The built hard over here has 3 speeds. The 30-inch black one has only 2 speeds. But I also want to turn them on and let you just hear the power between these two fans. When I say power, I'm talking about noise level. So let's turn this one on first. Hear the noise level between these two fans. So I'll turn this one on. Sometimes on the video it doesn't look like it's spinning fast, but trust me, it is. So this one is on high speed. Again, it is really moving some air. You can hear the noise level. And turn it off, and then turn the other one on high speed. So I would say, you know, slightly quieter on the built hard, but again, not as powerful. And some of it is, you know, maybe it's not so much just the amount of wind that you feel when you stand in front of it, but the amount of wind. Again, this being 30 inches versus 24 inches, it's just moving more wind than this, not necessarily spinning faster or blowing harder. That's kind of my take on it, just in here side by side looking at them. But both of these are easy to assemble. This one you just put the wheels on, the black one. This one you got to put the little frame on and the wheels. But no big deal as far as assembly goes. Both of these are popular models. I hope this video is helpful in at least showing you some of the differences.